Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I posted this screenshot on my X a couple days ago, and usually that's how I update my new plan. And you guys know how fast this market changes. So if you don't want to miss out any update from me, make sure you follow me on X, or you can just subscribe to the channel. But normally the video will come out later than the screenshot. Obviously, it takes more time, right? So while I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, I think it's about to complete this head and shoulder pattern. So this is not, maybe this is not good enough. Let's redraw it a bit. So head and shoulder, right? So head, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. Should be complete like this, and then we'll go down. Okay, something like this. And because now the momentum on the high time frame allows it that we complete this right shoulder pattern, so that's why I expect we're going to make a bounce from this 76 or 75.5k area, and then we start to bounce back to 79k, which is also you see right here, okay. Then once we complete this right shoulder, then we'll continue the correction all the way to 68k, 69k area. And this also, if I zoom out a little bit, you will see, okay, something like this. Then you see this this area below is the peak of this volume profile. There's a lot of buyer and seller at this area, so this can act as a potential support. And also I mentioned in my previous video two things. One thing, that we maybe touch this trend line from like this multi-year trend line from below. I'm not 100%, but it's likely. But right now, at least we're looking at we can touch the correction. The target for this correction should be at least go to this 68k. But if it will eventually touch this this trend line, this white trend line, I am not 100% sure right now. All I can tell you now is we will go to 68, 69k. Okay, then we will see how it goes from there. Okay, right. And another thing I want to talk about is the four panic factors from my previous video that I mentioned, and they all have, three of them happens after June 10th. So basically they will start taking effect after June. So which give us this window. You see this this window right here. This I put the time around like the May, before at the end of May. So I think it will give us some time to complete this right shoulder. At least give us like 3 to 5 days complete this right shoulder, and then we'll consolidate and start correction all the way down to 70k, 68k. So that's how I see the market in the next 2 or 3 weeks, all the way until June 20th. Okay.